Alright guys, in this video we're going to learn how to transcribe the audio that is received from a Telegram voice message. And so the person will speak a voice message into their Telegram app, and we want to take the file and then to transcribe it so that we have a text representation. The first thing we do is find the Telegram get a file node, and you can see on your screen it selects a file to be downloaded or to get, and it's going to get it from the previous node where we're switching. And what we want to do is select the audio file. So in here, I'll zoom in, and what you can see is we want $json.message.voice.file_ID, and that's going to receive the file that is received from the Telegram app. The next thing we need to do is transcribe that message, and there is an OpenAI node that will allow us to do this, and we select the one that says transcribe recording. You should already have an OpenAI account and just use that as your credentials. Leave all of the other settings as they are, and we're going to plug it in now so that we can pass that message into our AI agent, and the AI agent is going to translate the message. So now I'm going to test this in my Telegram app by executing it. What is in my calendar for tomorrow? Now the Telegram app has that message, it passes it in, it recognizes that this is a file, it takes the file and transcribes it and responds pretty much instantly. And what you see is the voice message on the right hand side and the response from the AI agent underneath.